So what is GoHighLevel CRM? Aside from sounding like a military operation that involves a whiteboard and too much coffee, GoHighLevel is basically the all-in-one platform that marketers either swear by or have no idea exists yet. And we're fixing that today. So if you've been hopping from tool to tool like a caffeinated squirrel, just trying to build a funnel, send an email, and maybe impress a client or two, you're definitely in the right place. Oh, and real quick, if you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, you can do that for free by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. Just don't blame me when you fall in love with the automation. Let's dive in. So GoHighLevel isn't just a CRM, it's like a digital Swiss Army knife for marketers, agencies, and business owners who are tired of duct taping 5 different platforms together and calling it a tech stack. You've got your funnels, you've got your email, you've got your automations. You can even host courses, build websites, collect payments, text leads, run surveys, manage reviews. Basically, it does everything except bring your coffee. I'm still waiting on that feature, actually. Now, the whole idea here, one login, one dashboard, all the tools, no more paying for 14 subscriptions and forgetting which one you actually use. So the big question, though, is who actually benefits from using GoHighLevel? If you're an agency owner, this was built for you on a golden platter. Client accounts, sub-accounts, SaaS mode, it's basically a nerdy playground for scaling. But maybe you're a course creator, a freelancer, a coach, a service provider, a one-person marketing tornado. GoHighLevel still works. It's flexible, you don't need a 10-person team to run it, you just need a plan and maybe 5 minutes of curiosity. Basically, if you've ever screamed at your computer because MailChimp didn't talk to your funnel, welcome home. Alright, and let's do a quick speed round through some of the big features. You know, the ones that'll make you raise an eyebrow and consider canceling half your current tools. Starting off with the ability to create landing pages. Yes, you can build beautiful landing pages, drag and drop style, super easy, no coding, no tiers. Whether it's a lead magnet, webinar registration, or something fancier, it works pretty straightforward and it's simple to do. You can start from using a blank screen, you can use AI to create your landing pages and funnels, or just simply use many of the templates that they have, which you can see right here. And depending on what you want to choose, you can search for your specific templates. You can go by most popular or recent, or if you want to browse categories, you can do that as well, and there are going to be some more as you scroll down here. Let's say it's going to be marketing agency related, you can go choose one that you want to use. Let's say we want to use this. Let's do continue, and this is going to be their drag and drop editor. It is pretty straightforward. Anything that you want to edit, simply click on, and that's what's going to allow you to do that right here. So if you wanted to change this text, type it in. Same thing when it comes to pictures, same thing when it comes to buttons, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, this is just going to be one example, and many of their templates actually do look quite professional, so that's always a good thing as well. And since you can create landing pages, yes, it does come with the ability to also create funnels as well. We're talking about multi-step masterpieces, or if you just want to make them shorter and sweeter as this one right here. You can build opt-in flows, sales funnels, upsells, downsells, even surveys baked into your funnel. And don't forget about the ability to easily share your funnels if needed, as well as split testing them, which is very simply done where you have your control, your variation, you duplicate it, you make one change, and you see how it's done overall. And if you need a website as well, GoHighLevel can help you out there whether you're starting from scratch or using templates, something that I would recommend. I'm going to click right here. And plenty of templates, once again, that you can choose based upon your specific niche, or if you just want to pick one that you happen to like, you can go about it, change the text, change the color, change the branding. Let's go with here, do continue. And with GoHighLevel, not only do they feature the same drag and drop editor when creating landing pages, you can just stack pages like a pro, whether you want to use menus, footers, and all the stuff that your cousin's WordPress site keeps breaking. So if you want a little bit more than landing pages and sales funnels, GoHighLevel will definitely help you out when it comes to creating a website as well. And if you're selling courses, there's a full-blown membership area inside. You might not even need Kajabi or Teachable or whatever else you were using in the process. You can upload your videos, structure your lessons, lock content behind logins. It's really up to you how you want to do it. You can even drip feed content as well if needed. Now when it comes to automation, this is where GoHighLevel gets really spicy. You can set up automations that trigger based on tags, time, actions, or total marketing wizardry. A lead opts in, they get a welcome email. They don't open it, boom, send a follow-up text. Still ghosting you? Tag them and try a voicemail drop. And here's just an example of an email drip sequence where you would have a new trigger. They would get an email. You can wait for one day. And was it opened? If yes, you go here. If no, you go here. And if none, obviously there's going to be some other conditions, and this can go for as long as you want as it branches off to really automate and make it as simple or as complex as you want. Obviously, the more control you have, the better it's going to be when it comes to increasing your sales, your leads, your revenue, and anything else that you want to do when it comes to using GoHighLevel. And seeing the fact we talked about email, of course, GoHighLevel does have that as well. Broadcast, drip campaigns, automation, tagging. It's kind of like ActiveCampaign, but built into everything that you already use. And just to kind of showcase some examples, there are going to be some templates that you can choose. Let's say we want to go with this one. Let's click on Continue. And as you're going to see here, their drag and drop editor is very straightforward to use. We have all the elements on the left that you can drag into the right side. And once again, if you wanted to change anything, click on it, delete it, move it, it's really up to you. Same thing with the text. We have our buttons and of course the address on the bottom. When it comes to creating an email in GoHighLevel, you're probably not going to have too many problems here. And don't forget about agency mode as well. You can create sub-accounts for clients, use snapshots to duplicate setups in seconds. You can even sell it as your own SaaS platform if you want. You can literally white label everything, dashboard, login, even the app. You become the software company, not just the guy who builds funnels at 2 a.m. And then there's going to be the GoHighLevel pricing. So it starts at $97 a month, but you get a ton of value when it comes to the $297 a month plan. That's where the agency features are really going to stack up. As you can see here, you get everything in the starter, but with this, you get API access where you can integrate with everything, you get unlimited sub-accounts for as many client accounts as you need at one price, and this is also where you get the branded desktop app, the custom domains, and complete control over the look and feel of the platform. So that's GoHighLevel in a nutshell. It's not just a tool, it's the mothership, the marketing command center, the place where your email, funnels, automations, and late-night launch dreams actually come together in one clean interface. And if you're tired of juggling 12 platforms like a broke magician, maybe it's time to simplify. So if you want to try GoHighLevel for free today, be sure to click the link down below in the description or the pinned comment, and you can get quick access. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy GoHighLevel.